It's nicely balanced. There's a good body to this beer. The malt base of the flavor, the grain of the flavor, that kind of biscuity, the British call it, but we call it kind of not quite sugar cookie, but shortbread type of flavor. And there is that hop that is there to balance it off. It's nicely balanced. There's no doubt about that. But a double India Pale Ale. It was 10% alcohol. I did say so, but 8%. Well, does Grimm's Stratified Image Double India Pale Ale meet expectations? It just slid under it. It didn't quite. I mean, it's a nice beer. There's no doubt about this. It's a very nice beer, but if they called it an India Pale Ale, I would have bought the package. But a double, and with all of the hops, the fine blend of hops, maybe I've picked up too much of a nuanced ability there, but it didn't impress. It didn't impress. Sometimes it happens. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.